At the edge of time, a boy stood firm. His vest hummed with energy. The golden time key flickered above him, pulsing with promise. Beside him, a shimmering ally faded slowly away. Fear flickered in her luminous gaze, the magic of time slipping like sand through fingers. A sinister trap loomed ahead, warping their reality. The temporal maze writhed, resetting with each brave step they took. An unwavering spirit stepped forward. He rallied their hopes, urging them to trust in the unexpected. Together they could conquer the chaos. The metal companion hesitated, caught in a tangle of commands. Inside, flickers of lost memories fought to surface, waiting for release. Together they ventured into the labyrinthine paths. Time pressed close, but hidden strengths began to unearth themselves in the warmth of friendship. Just when hope ignited, darkness surged. A wave of confusion swept them apart, each sound echoing like a racing heart. A spark of recognition awakened within the metallic heart. Memories flooded back, and a choice shifted destiny. With a twist of fate, the maze turned upon itself. Walls shifted, revealing a way forward. They rushed as hope ignited anew. A doorway to freedom glimmered before them. Together they stepped towards the light. A leap into a brighter future awaited. Back in their own time, peace enveloped them. They turned to their past, memories glistening like stars in a shared sky. With the key in hand, they understood. Time is a tapestry woven with choices, every thread connected, ever glowing bright.